Namaste guys. So today I'm going to do a quick video on, I'm going to do an unboxing of the, I believe it's pronounced Suyncll 3800 PSI pressure washer electric. I needed a pressure washer, so I wanted to give an electric one a chance, and this one's supposed to be pretty good. I did the same thing with it you guys are doing right now. I watched a couple of videos and did some research online to find out about it. But anyway, I wanted to do my own little product review of it, so I threw together a little video, just me taking it out of the box and putting it together, and then we'll do a little video of running it and seeing how it actually works. Yeah? Alright? Let's do this. No, really, you ready? You ready? Just kidding. Let's go do this. Let's see what we got. Alright, so in the box we have the instructions. We pull them up, we got an instruction booklet, yeah, and this is the end of the wand tip with the 4 holders on there for your tips, and then that's the gun, the base of the wand. And I'll just tell you, this went together very easy. Let's see, next we've got, that's the wand holder. And then we've got the tips, and they give you a screwdriver to install everything with. And that's all you need. And then this is the handle, the carry handle. And that's it. And then we've got the unit. I was real impressed with how it looked and feel. It was very nice. Very well constructed for being a plastic piece of equipment. I was really impressed. And then high pressure hose. And then you have the cleaning bottle for your soap. And that's it. And then we went through the instruction manual. I briefly looked through that instruction manual. And it was very simple, very easy to read, understand. And then this was the first piece you put on. This is the upper piece for the cord holder. And that little piece on the outside, you want to make sure that's vertical when you put this thing together. I tried it, putting it together a couple of times, and it has to be vertical to go on there. And that was it. It screwed in really easy. One other thing I want to mention, I did take everything out of the plastic before I did this video, guys. Everything that came packaged was in plastic, but I shortened it by taking out. That worked really smooth, real impressed. The bottom one, you want to face that one down. It's just solid, it doesn't move, so you want to have it facing down. Again, everything went together smoothly. I think it probably, I was doing a video in the same thing, but if I was to just take it out of the box and put it together and actually read the instructions, 20 minutes probably. And then that was it. That's the 2 for the cord. And then this is the carry handle, and it was very nice. Just kind of finagle and slide that into place. It snaps in place. And then you flip it around, and there's 2 screws here on the back that you have to install. And I didn't lift that back handle. If you lift the back handle, it gives you a little more room. You see how I've got the screwdriver slightly angled? But it went together, like I say. Everything was smooth and simple, as long as you're not in a hurry. And I know you guys know, just in case, no power tools ladies, gentlemen, never power tools. And then this was just a slide-on clip. So you just put that in place and slide it down. Pretty simple. And I was real impressed with these. They fit in nice and snug, the tips on the handle. And it's kind of nice to have them right there where you're going to need them. So I like that feature. It's actually constructed very nice. I was really impressed. And that's a simple push and click. You just push that in there and it snaps in place. There's a little O-ring on there. This one, you push in, you can see as you're putting it in there, there's the slots, and you push it in and twist it. And that's it. It's that simple. Goes together nice. And then this is where the compression or the high pressure hose goes on the back of the unit. There's no tape, no nothing. It's got its own sealed unit. You just twist it on there. And that's it, guys. It went together real smooth, real easy. Like I said, you can have it together in 15 minutes or so. I was real impressed, real happy with it so far. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you on the next one when I show you how this thing operates.